What if I told you that one perfectly legal looking algebra step could make the correct answer disappear? Thousands of students divide both sides by x minus 4 without thinking, and they accidentally lose a solution. Let's see why that happens and how to avoid this common mistake forever. We're trying to solve for x here. And lots of students, when they're solving this, the first thing they do, they think they could just divide both sides by x minus 4, and then they end up with x minus 4 squared equals 1. And then they square root both sides. They're going to get x minus 4 equals plus or minus 1. And now they move that negative 4 to the other side, and you get 4 plus or minus 1. So x equals 3, 4, 5. Now, I'll let you know that's part of the solution, but that's not the whole solution. And the reason is you lost one solution when you did that by dividing by x minus 4 to both sides. So what are we supposed to do then? What we're supposed to do is move x minus 4 to the other side. So we're going to get x minus 4 cubed minus x minus 4 equals 0. Now, if you see, both brackets have x minus 4 in them, so therefore I can take x minus 4 out as the greatest common factor. And therefore, what I'm going to get here, I'm going to get this divided by this will give me x minus 4 squared, and then minus an x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 gives me 1 equals 0. And therefore, x minus 4 here. And here I'm going to FOIL this, or just take a shortcut by going x squared, that's x squared. Then 2 times x times negative 4, that's minus 8x. And then negative 4 squared is plus 16. Then we have the minus 1. Let's keep it as a round bracket. Equals 0. Now, we have x minus 4. We have x minus 4. And here we're going to have x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. X minus 4. And this factors into x, what multiplies to give you positive 15 and add to give you negative 8. That's negative 5 and negative 3. And now we have all of our solutions. So x equals 3. I'm just going in ascending order. And x equals 4. And here x equals 5. So when you compare this to this, you know you missed the 4 as one of the answers. If this video saved you from making this mistake on a quiz or exam, hit like and subscribe. There are many algebra traps just like this one, and I'll show you how to spot every one of them so you never lose marks again.